Assalamualaikum my YouTube family, you watching Halal Cooking Food. Today I bring a very special recipe for Ramdan bread besan toast. So let's start our recipe. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Take a bowl and add besan 500 gram into it. Onion 150 gram added into the bowl. Fresh coriander 50 gram. Green chili paste 2 tablespoons added into the bowl. Tomato 1 piece. Black pepper powder 1 tablespoon. Cumin seeds 1 tablespoon. Crushed red chili 1 tablespoon. Dry coriander 2 tablespoons added into the bowl. Red chili powder half tablespoon. Salt 1 tablespoon. The quantity of all spice depends on your taste. After adding it, we mix it very well with hand. You can mix the material, that all the materials added into it mixed very properly. You can add water with time to time as you need. You can make the material in liquid form, not so thick. So you can mix it very easily with your hand. Mix well with hand. You can add water as you need and make the material very easily, so that our bread toast prepare very delicious. Marinate the material for 15 minutes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Take a pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons over the pan. The flame of the stove is medium. Then grease it with spoon. Make the besan bread toast very easily. You can take a bread piece, then dip into the material and then fry on the pan. You can prepare it very easily by following my steps. It is a very special and unique recipe which I share with you. Again, you take a bread piece, dip into the material and then fry over the pan. You can take the stove flame medium, not so high. Keeping in mind the flame of the stove is medium. Change the side, cook light golden color. If one side is cooked, then change the other side to cook very well. In the same way, we prepare all the toast very easily and it seems very tasty. Ready bread besan toast. Now we can dish out it. You can cut the bread piece toast before serving. Like that, you can cut into 2 halves in triangle shape. Now it is ready. Share your opinion and must try it. Allah Hafiz.